Hello friends, today's topic is twin prime, co-prime and prime triplet.
In my video 3, I have explained you what is prime and composite numbers. Just a quick brush up on what are prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers are numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. And composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors. Prime are always odd numbers except 2. 2 is the smallest even prime number, whereas composite numbers are both odd and even. So I can explain you in these terms that prime has only one friend, that is 1, and he himself, the number itself, whereas composite numbers have too many friends. Okay, now when prime is when someone teaches prime and if twin prime, co-prime and prime triplets are not taught, then prime numbers are not complete. Therefore, I am making this video to complete prime numbers. So you can say this way, like prime would feel bad if I don't introduce you to twin prime, co-prime or prime triplets. So as the word states, twin, you all know what does twin mean? Twin sisters, twin brothers, they look alike. But in this case, twin prime means two consecutive odd prime numbers. For example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So consecutive means continuous. So continuous. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay. So 2 is an even number. 2 is an even prime number. So you cannot take 2 because twin primes are two consecutive odd primes. So you will take which numbers? 3 and 5 because they are consecutive, one after another with a gap of one number. So these consecutive means one after another. Now the next would be which one? Which one would be the next prime? Twin prime. It would be 11 and 13. So twin primes are two consecutive odd prime numbers. One more example can be 17 and 19. So now what are co-primes? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor. other than 1. So, for example, 2 and 3, then 4 and 9. Now you know factors. I have done a video on factors and multiples in video 2. So you can go back and check factors and multiples if you are not clear. So 4 has factors like 2 into 2, whereas 9 is factors of 3 into 3. So there is nothing common in them except 1, because this would be 4 can be written as 1 into 4 and 2 into 2, whereas 9 can be written as 1 into 9 and 3 into 3. So which factor is common in both of them? Only 1 is common in both of them. So therefore this is a co-prime. 4 and 9 are co-prime. Can you think of one more example of a co-prime? It can be 8 and 15. Again, there is no common factor in between both of them. Only one is a common factor. So twin primes are two consecutive odd prime numbers, and co-primes are two numbers which have only one as a common factor. This is prime triplet. So what are prime triplets? A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triplet, and there is only one. The only prime triplet is 3, 5, 7. Again, these are also consecutive. As I told you earlier, what are twin primes? Twin primes are consecutive odd prime, whereas these are prime triplets. These are also like consecutive, differing by 2. 3, 4, then 5, then 5, 6 and then 7. So these are called as prime triplet, and the only prime triplet is 3, 5 and 7. Hope it is clear. You all have understood what is twin prime, co-prime and prime triplets. Thank you.
If the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe the video. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video, you would get notified. And please feel free to add topics of your own section below. Thank you.